Hello and welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to set up product templates to make your workflow more efficient and give your customers better customization options. Let's get started. First, log into your PrintGizmo dashboard. From the left navigation panel, go to the Templates section and click on Product Templates. On the main screen, you will see a list of all existing templates. To create a new template, click the Add button on the top right. You can also create a new version from the Master Template section. For this tutorial, we will create one from scratch. On the Add Template screen, first select the store for which you are designing the template. Then choose the product type. Select the product and specify the size for the template. Assign the template to one or more categories. You can also add color filters by selecting colors from the drop-down or by adding new ones. This will help customers find templates when they use color filters in the storefront. Next, give your template a title that will appear in the storefront. If you want to save time creating templates for the same size, you can assign this template to other products by selecting them from the list and using the arrow button. You can also group templates by entering a group name. Now select the template type. If it is customizable, customers will be able to personalize it in the Designer Studio. Non-customizable templates go straight to checkout. A PDF block template will open in the PDF Block Studio for personalization. You can also upload a print-ready PDF if you already have a design prepared. For products with multiple pages, you can use Template Layout to define layouts for each page. If you want to create a premium template that customers pay extra for, you can enable Template Cost in the site settings and then add the price here. Customers will see the cost above the Customize button in the storefront. There is also a personalization setting for private stores which autofills customer information in the Design Studio. We will skip this for now. Set the template sorting. Choose Active for status and click Save and Continue. This will open the Designer Studio where you can add text images and other design elements. Once finished, click Continue to save your design. Your new template will now appear in the product template list. In the storefront, customizable templates will show a Customize button, while non-customizable and print-ready PDFs will show a Checkout button. You will also see any template cost displayed. And that is it. You have successfully created a product template in PrintGizmo. If you have any questions, our support gurus are always available through live chat on your PrintGizmo dashboard. Thank you for watching.